Shot, nicely played. He loves to do that. Shakib Al Hassan. He'll pick up 4.
Netters! Get the Air Jordans on. Again, he's got the wrong shoes, Netravelka. Up, up, up. No. That's 4 more. Oh, no. So, impersonations of some of the footballers at the field.
A fielder out there. Can't get there. Steve Smith trying to keep himself infield. And to get up and take that, can't do so. So Shakib gets 6.
Finally. Played a few air shots, isn't he, in the previous over against Dorchester. Here's the slower one. And it sits up nicely for him. Nice height, nice area for him to go to. Sounded sweet. Smithers! Oh, not tall enough. Give the man a step ladder. It's a great effort, though. Wonderful effort, but simply ran out of room. Hope he's okay. Inside the circle. Long on's gone back.
Nice shot. Really well timed. Opens the face of the blade. And it races away for 4.
Yeah, roll back the clock about 14 years, and this is why he was the ICC #1 all-rounder in fact, both white ball formats. Batting so high for Bangladesh back in the day. To international cricket. This sort of stroke play. Beautiful. Well weighted, well measured. Maxi might have to turn up for a change.
The shouts of catch it. And the catch will be taken. It's a good catch. In Holland out there. Had to watch it closely. And then inches off the ground takes it. So wicket to finish things off. They've hit their 20. And this is how it ends.
Again, taking on the bigger side. Well done, Dutchie. Oh, just enough of the fingers wrapping around.